So you guys, today we're gonna start the video late at night so we can show you guys what these headlights look like. It's a big ass spider right there. We're gonna change out these ugly yellow lights, also for the fogs, and we're gonna put some LEDs on there. We'll turn them on so you guys can see what it looks like. I have a mess because we've been working on this Jeep for the past couple of days. I don't know if I turn on the whole car. So we just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So top and bottom are yellow. I'm gonna give you guys let me get up in the Jeep so you guys can see. So that's what it looks like. Now we're gonna get to taking off the bulbs and installing the new LED bulbs. Let me show you guys what we got. So we're gonna get to pulling off this grill to get these lights out, and I think there's only clips holding it onto the body. See if we don't break these. There's one there, there's one here. Shoot, that one's gone. Another one here. Another one here. So there's what, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Okay, so with that off, I think the bottom clips just pop out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna grab on the grill with 2 hands from down here. Oh yeah, well, actually with 1 hand, be able to do it. And oh, we have to disconnect these lights. So just pull the little red tab back and pull the plug off. Another one on this side. And it should come off. Oh, there's another clip back here, right there. So there should be one here, like that. Set this aside. Then we have to get the Torx. There's 4 little screws holding that light bulb in place. These are a little messed up, but it's cool. We'll leave them on for now. I think they're plastic. So I'm gonna go get the little Torx set, so we'll see which Torx fits on there. So we got the little T15 on this. I'm gonna pull these 4 screws out. Hopefully we don't lose any of them. One right here. So with those out of the way, the light just comes right out. We have to pull this red tab back and then unclip the light from here. You have the whole housing out. So these are the lights we got for this Jeep. They're from Auxito. Make sure to check them out. They have really good LED lights. We basically have LEDs on every car we have. These are for the headlights. And these are for the fog lights. We got them white, top and bottom. I don't know if it's gonna focus. and I'll show you guys in a bit. So basically, this is what it comes with: a pair of gloves, the product manual, some zip ties, and these are the actual lights with the little fan and everything. These lights are super bright. We actually have reverse lights on this Jeep from Auxito as well. So you just twist this to the side, slide the new one in. We're just gonna throw these back on here. We basically just plug this back in to the connector. Sorry about the angle of the camera. Just doing everything with 2 hands that I have. And then we're gonna put all this back in there. Kind of tuck it away. We're gonna put the 4 Torx screws back in. Now we got both LED bulbs installed, and these are back on the Jeep. We're gonna move over to the fog lights before we install the grill back on. So right here, you can kind of feel it. There's a clip, so that comes off. So you just push it down, pull it back, and then kind of seems like the bulb, I think, just twists to the side. Let me see. I don't know if I can see it, but where is it? I can't even see it. It's right there. And these are the fog light bulbs. Okay, so these just compress these little clips and pull it out. If I could do that. I can't even feel the bulb from up here. I got it. There you go. There's this little bulb. We're gonna slide this back in. Right there. And make sure it clips so it won't fall back out. We were actually able to get it in. It took some force, but we clipped it in. So now we're going to zip tie the harness, hopefully out of the way somehow, with the zip ties that they provided for the top bolt. For this one, the driver's side, we're just gonna zip tie it tighter to this existing harness, and then for the other side, I guess we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna pull it over. You guys can't really see, but we're gonna pull it over, and we're gonna zip tie it tighter to this harness right here, and then we'll go ahead and put the grill on. Okay, so this is everything put back together. You see, the lights are white now, and we're gonna wait till it gets dark so we can show you guys the difference. And we haven't moved the Jeep. This light looks like it's not on. I think it is on. It should be on. It should be on. It looks like it's not on. This one is the same. Fog lights aren't on. But I'm gonna turn them on because I think these take a while. Like when you first turn them on, it takes a while for them to get really bright. Well, at least from our experience, the ones that we've seen. So I'll put you guys back on in a bit. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the lights so you guys can see them. Super bright. That's not even with the fog lights on. Let me turn on the car so you guys can see what it looks like with the fog lights on. So this is the same view that I gave you with the yellow lights on, with the original lights on. Much better. Go to the front. We're gonna leave a link down below You guys can use that link to get a discount on your LEDs. It'll take you to their website. You just put in your make and model, and it'll show you all the lights that they carry for that vehicle. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at _OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below as well. And we'll catch you in the next one.